centimetre. But you see there it says 12 centimetre.
This is 12 centimeter.
Yeah. The next one is 15 centimetre.
Yeah. These are the standard from the company.
Yes. Next one is 18 centimetre.
Okay.
This big one is a 380 by 440. So that's a really big fit, you know, for your jacket backs. So if you're doing a jacket back on the back of the logo.
But this is not quite too good to use these ones. Camp hiking, just use at the outer end.
Yeah. So
A big one, but outer end.
If you're doing like badges, let's say if you're doing badges, you could do a lot of badges in this one.
Yeah. And which size this one?
That's 18. Okay. So you'll get 2 12s, 2 15s, 2 18s, and 2 13s.
Two each.
Yeah.